Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today in this tutorial we are going to create a trending name art using Kinemaster. So without any delay, let's have a preview. So open your Kinemaster application and create a new project using any ratio. So I am choosing here 1:1 ratio. Then go to the image option and choose a black background. So after that, increase the length of the background. So I am choosing here about 25 seconds. So then go to the layer option and text option and add a letter. So I am adding here A. Now increase the size of the text and go to the font option and choose a font. So I am choosing font from the handwriting. You can see some part of the letter is cut out. So go to the text and leave a space at the starting and end and press OK. Now go to the color option and choose a black color. Then scroll down and find the outline option and enable the outline and choose the white color. So now keep the weight up 2 to 3. So I am keeping here 3. And in this way you can make the outline of the text. So if you don't have stylish font in your Kinemaster application, then you can create it using the Pixel Lab application and save it in the PNG format and you can add it later. So to create a letter in the Pixel Lab, open your Pixel Lab application and add a letter. So I am adding here K. Then increase the size of the letter and go to the A option and scroll down and find the font option. So choose the font that you like. So I am choosing font from my recent. And go to the color option now and choose black color. Now again scroll down and find the stroke option and enable the stroke. So choose white color and choose stroke width of about 6 to 7. So I am choosing here 6. Then go to the double square option and make transparent background and save the image. So now increase the length of the alphabet. Now go to the layer option and handwriting and choose the black color and the last brush and the third last brush size. So afterward choose a point from where you want to draw. So then start drawing. So slowly start drawing on the outline of the text. So do properly to have a nice result. So now I am fast forwarding the video to do it quickly. Now increase the duration of the handwriting. So then go to the out animation and erase in order. And here you can increase or decrease the speed to make the animation faster or slower, or you can also make it after exporting the video. So for now our animation look like this. After exporting, create a new project again and add the exported video and trim off the unnecessary parts. So now I am going to decrease the speed to make the length of the media little long, about 10 seconds. Now export the video. Exporting, create a new project and choose 9:16 ratio and add a media. So I will give the link of this media in the description. So I am keeping here about 10-second length. So split at the middle and select the first part and go to the adjustment and scroll down and change the hue to change the background color. So in this way you can create the multiple color background. Now add the media that we created before and blend it using blending mode to screen.